Alright, I'm at 2950 Dixie Highway doing a sanitary lateral inspection for a home purchase. Going through the stack on the roof in the rear for right above the bathrooms. I'm going to see if we can make it all the way out to the sanitary main. There was no access inside the home. So, should be able to go down through here and make it all the way out. But it looks to me like we're starting with a cast iron and should go down maybe into clay once it exits the house. Okay, so we've gotten to the bottom of the stack, we've turned, it is cast iron in the house. This all looks good so far. There's a little bit of water there, but camera's only about a half an inch off the bottom, so that's normal for this age house and material. Everything is still visible. Now we're going over to a section of PVC here. Looks like there's something coming in from the top. That was just a section where they had added an access. Okay, now we have switched into what looks like clay and gotten bigger. That means we're out of the house. There's a little tiny bit of roots there. Not a big concern. It does show I may have actually just broke it loose. So it may have just been something, another piece of debris. Huh. Again, just a little bit of water there behind it. Looks like a section, a little bit more root intrusion, not a ton. It's not really abnormal to find roots in a clay line on a house this age. You can see the level of the water there. It's barely above the camera. In a 6-inch diameter pipe, a half-inch of water is not a big deal unless you find something that you find evidence of back up, and there was a little bit of a slight offset in that connection, which is again something that's pretty normal to find in clay pipe. Just a tiny bit more roots. So we'll be recording on the way out and the way back, so there is some more roots. Again, there's nothing in the flow line there. Can you see how many feet I'm out? Bottom left hand corner.
107.10.
Oh, we may have just actually hit it. This may be the turn down into the main.
One 911. 110.
Yeah, I think this is a turn down going into the main. I'm going to have to kind of pull it back where it flattens out and get a locate. See where we are. It's not... Again, this is something that's... When they put a turn down to go into a main, there are some roots here again. When they put these turn downs, they usually have some pretty big offsets the way they were put together. It's a bell, it's like a male and female end, so a lot of times there will be an offset where it dives in, and the camera stretching across that sharp dive will hit the lip of the connection and doesn't want to drop all the way in. So I'm going to pause the video and go get a locate to verify where we are. Okay, so there is some root intrusion here, and this is right where it drops into the main. Just located it and also located the main. So it's dropping down into the sanitary main right at the top of the hill, past the driveway, and in the front between there and Dixie Highway. So I'm going to continue recording on the pullback, but the only thing I've seen really is it does need maybe a little cleaning. Chemicals, it's borderline for chemicals to get rid of this. I would just have a decent cleaning done, and then you have to keep up on it every, say, 5 years or so, and either that or run some chemical through it once a year, just to try to prevent the roots from taking over. But structurally, everything looked really good. So again, I'm going to continue recording on the pullback, but that's pretty much the end of the inspection. Okay, that's the end of the inspection at 2950 Dixie Highway. Again, structurally the pipe looked great, just had a little bit of root intrusion, which is common for pipe material in a house this age. So we're going to end the inspection here.